In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to install Comet browser on Mac. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is go to perplexity.ai/grow/comet, or click the first link in the description. Once we're on this page, you simply need to select Download Comet. Once installed, if you go to your downloads folder, you should have this file. You simply need to double click this, then this window should appear. From here, you need to drag Comet into the applications folder. Now if we close this, then go to our launchpad and do a search for Comet, we should have this. I'm now going to open this, then click open on this window. Then on this loading screen, we're going to click Get Started. Now we have the option to import browser history, settings, bookmarks and passwords from your previous browser. For this, I'm simply going to click Do this later in the bottom left. Now we can choose our username and avatar, then change the theme. Once we're happy, we can click Continue in the bottom right. Now we have a few options which we can read through and see if we want to select or not. Then we can click Start Comet in the bottom right. Now we're on the Comet browser, we need to sign into a Perplexity account, so I'm going to select Continue with Google. Once signed in, we can start using Comet browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.